Okay, so in this video we're going to talk about how to assign a product to a button, so a task pad. So this is a task pad which appears at the POS. There's more comprehensive training for this, but the video will just cover how to create a simple button with a product embedded in it. So first you need to find a product. For example, a 20-pound bag of ice, and you need to have this product code handy. So I'm going to copy that into my clipboard. Go back over to the task pad. I'm going to go to the 20-pound ice button, which I already have set up, but the command that you need for this purpose, and if you hover over it, you can see the documentation as it relates to this, which is a little on the side of geeky because, well, there's a lot of interesting things you can do with the buttons. But to find any command, you can just start typing, and there's the command I want. And now if we hit this little button right here, it's looking for a product code by default, and so I just take this product code and I paste it in here, and away I go. If you click on properties, you can actually see some of the other functionalities you can do with this button. For example, I could define a quantity. So I could make the button add one of these, which it does by default, or I could make it add 10 of these. I could add a line item comment to this product, I could modify the price, etc. However, all I need to do is add the product code, and I'm going to remove this quantity, and we'll submit it, and it will automatically create this these command parameters, which you can craft yourself, but this is really just a tool to create these. And then you save the task pad, close and reopen the point of sale, and voila, you have your 20-pound bag of ice button.